Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about how to fix temporarily disabled on Snapchat. So let's first talk about why are you temporarily disabled. It's because you violated terms of usage of Snapchat. Like it can be something that you shared with someone, and that thing, like something illegal to use in Snapchat, and it violates terms of usage. So think of it first, then you're gonna get rid of it. For example, delete this like picture or some messages, or it can be just like a mod version of Snapchat. I don't know if there are some mod versions of Snapchat, but if you have downloaded one of them, it also can lead to your ban in your account. So how to fix it? First, make sure that you get rid of this cause of the problem, cause of your ban, and after this you're gonna go to your profile. Not profile, because of course you can't like contact in Snapchat, but you can go by your another account or just go to browser and search for Snapchat support team and write like text, contact them by describing your problem. You can also write some additional information like your email or phone number, so they can help you more specifically, and more likely it would help you without waiting for your account to be unbanned again. Just write that you have been temporarily banned by any mistake or something like this, and more likely it should help. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Please make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.